Hi, and welcome to Kiddos Koral. Today we're going to be making my taco chili. This is a huge hit in my house. We're going to start off with 2 pounds of ground beef, and I'm simply just browning it up. Once it is browned, I like to drain it and make sure all the excess grease is out of it. Now, once the beef is put back into the pot, I add 1 can of tomato soup. And I'm showing you the can so that you can see the ounces on the can so that you all will know how much to add. Now I've added in some kidney beans. I've added in a can of black beans. And all the beans are drained. Now I've added in a can of whole kernel corn that has been drained as well. And I love the corn in this recipe because there is something wonderful about the sweet with the savory. Now I'm adding in a package of ranch seasoning. Just dump the powder right in and stir, along with a package of chili original seasoning mix. You can also use the hot chili mix if you want to, but we went with the original. I allow all these wonderful ingredients to simmer on my stove for about 40 to 45 minutes, just so the flavors will marry one another. Now you can serve this any way that you like, but on this particular night we are having it served on hot dogs with taco cheese. It is one of our favorites and it's a big hit. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe.